Hey guys, welcome back to another Cars, Trains and Aviation video. Today we'll be going on the Poppleton to York line. Now I call this like an unknown line because it's quite small and it's only one stop. And as we can see, we've also got a friend with us today.
Hello.
So what train are we going on today then?
Class 170.
That's right, she knows a lot about trains. Class 170, that's it. I mean, I'm not entirely sure. Last time I came here I went on the 158. But I've only been seeing 170s. That sounded a bit nerdy, didn't it?
Maybe it might be.
Oh well. As you can see, it's quite a old station because you've still got the old level crossing. And I'm very looking forward to it. I haven't actually been on the train since lockdown, so this is exciting.
It's old school, isn't it?
Here it comes.
We can go down that way. Do you want to go in there, darling?
I don't want to sit on
Sit down.
I don't mind. They can do that. It's out of use,
So quite a lot of seats are out of use. In actual fact, I haven't been on a Class 170 before. Here we go. Departing on, well, the world's smallest railway journey. It's not actually. I'm just saying that. Now we cross the cross-country field of York. You know, it's quite a big train for quite a small railway journey. I know they used to have paces on this line, but I don't know if they have many more. As you can see, we're now joining onto the main line. Hopefully we might be able to see quite a few of them. Maybe some NLER Class 800s, 801s or anything like that. But maybe some cross-country trains. Don't know if Grand Central still operate. Well, I didn't know I got a Grand Central train up here, Class 180. Wasn't a great experience, but you know, that's a whole other story. In fact, I don't know if this train even is a 170. I think at the front I saw 172. Well, I think they all look quite similar actually. Yeah. Actually, York already. So we're now officially in York. York train station.
Extra mattress.
She's got a mat. She's got a table we can use.
Over there you can see Class 158.
Alaska.
There's a 158 over there.
Every day's birthday.
We're coming in on the opposite platform. Here we are, in York. 195. Oh, I thought Grand Central was still operating. Nope, definitely at 170. Well then, thanks for watching guys. See you again on another video. That was my first trip report. And over there I see a Trans-Pennine Class 800. Let's just get over this step so I can show you. There you go, Trans-Pennine Class 800. I'll see you. Finish on that note. Bye. Thanks guys for watching that video. Like and subscribe, and also the thing that was just troubling me a bit was, didn't Northern go bankrupt?